If you're new here, hola, ¿qué tal? I'm Steph. We're doing something really fun. We are doing a summer clothing haul, although like the majority of what this stuff I hauled was a couple months ago, but I thought it would be just fun to share with you guys. I think my dog is knocking on my door. Except for one piece, all of the things that I'm going to be showing you have come from fast fashion brands. Say that 3 times fast. Fast fashion brands. I think that I've just learned a lot the past couple of years about fast fashion, how bad it is for the environment and just for society in general. I'm gonna leave some information down below if you guys wanna learn more on fast fashion. In the future, it's gonna be thrifted, small business, POC owned companies, small brands, Instagram brands. I think that that is what I'm gonna be showing from now on. How privileged you have to be to also be able to afford to buy things that are not fast fashion. So it is like this whole thing, and it's not intentioned to shame anyone or to shame myself, because I mean, we are all perpetrators in this cycle. So it's just about like educating myself and being better, and also showing you guys the ways that I am going to learn and continue to learn about this topic. So with that like whole preamble, I'm going to get straight into the haul. Accessories, just because that's like the smallest amount, the rest is clothes. My earrings. So I have like a couple people ask me about like where I like to buy my earrings. The big hoop that I'm wearing right now is from ASOS. I think that ASOS makes a lot of really well-priced gold-plated jewelry. Because I live in such a humid climate, I can't really wear any of the fast fashion kind of jewelry because it will just go to so fast. I love jewelry. I feel naked without earrings and necklaces on. That being said, ASOS does some really good hoop earrings, and I love gold. Like some of my favorite like everyday earrings that I wear are from ASOS. Now this like a hoop with this dangly chain is from this small brand. They're called Ledoux Jewelry, based in the Netherlands, and they just make some of the prettiest, most simple, but like also kind of like ethereal. My inspiration from getting my 3rd piercing was also so that I could eventually buy another piece by them so that I could wear it also. They just have like some of my favorite jewelry designs, and I wish that I could own the entire collection, but so far I only have this piece. Okay, and then my last little hoop earring. This one has like some diamantes on it, and I think it's gold plated. It is from Urban Outfitters. I actually ordered something different. I ordered like a big hoop earring from Urban Outfitters, and they sent me this. I had like some trouble with Urban Outfitters sending me the wrong thing or not sending me anything in general. Like my past order from them, they sent me pants that were the wrong size, and for me to return it, because I don't live in the States, it's so hard for me to return items back to them, so I end up just having to keep it. Honestly, I'm actually kind of happy that I got sent these ones, because they're the perfect size to put in my 3rd piercing. I love these shoes. These are the kind of shoes that you would stomp around in. They have a pretty like high heel. I don't know how many inches this would be, maybe like 3. Slide on kind of early 2000s kind of sandals. I love them. They just make any outfit look that much more put together. For me, these are gonna be a staple in my closet, just like a white sneaker or black boots. I think that having that one like funky, chunky heel in your closet is like the best way to kind of show your personal style and give you height, because I'm not like super tall and I love a little bit of height, but I don't like wearing heels every single day. So I love platforms like these, wearing them and stomping around to the places that I can go right now, which is like the supermarket and the pharmacy. And people like, I feel like people look at me funny because like don't expect you to like step out of like your house in that way right now, but I just find that dressing up and wearing things that I love just makes me feel so good, and like you don't need an occasion to dress up. I love that. I guess this is not spring summer, but depending on where you live, it could be. I did this in my closet. So I picked, this is from Urban Outfitters. This is a moto jacket, like fake leather jacket. But what I love about this jacket is that it is cropped. I'm more of like a petite person, and I feel like cropped jackets just always hit me at either the correct length or they're cropped, and that's great for me because I always tend to wear high-waisted things, so I like my jackets to be cropped as well. I didn't have a moto jacket in my closet, and that is such a travesty. It's a good staple, and you can totally wear this for summer as long as like what's underneath. I think this would look so good with like a all-white outfit. I've been wearing this a lot, even though maybe the weather isn't meant for this kind of jacket. I still love it. I don't care. Okay, so I bought this ASOS brand tie-up cardigan, and normally I don't really wear that much red or have that much red in my closet, but I love the tacky, like shocking contrast of red and pink, and since my hair is pink right now, I kind of love red to make that contrast. This cardigan originally, like, I don't know if you could see, it's kind of hard to see, but it originally had like two other ties here, and I cut them off because when I tied it, it just like bunched in a weird way. It didn't look like flattering, so I felt like it looked flattering more with just the one tie. And this has been a trend for like a while, like cardigans and these like little tie up with like nothing underneath. And I'm a girl with like small, like itty bitty titty committee. I am a part of that, you know, that club, and even wearing this for me, I wouldn't feel comfortable wearing this out with nothing underneath. Cute like bralette underneath or like something like that. I think it's cute for like the Insta shot because you can take a picture and then like, you know, cover up or whatever. But if I was gonna be out and like this was gonna be like flying open, I definitely wouldn't take that risk. I don't know how the girls do it. Maybe like with some fashion tape, I could tape it down. Is my favorite piece in the haul. It's just the most me. I found this like gingham, like tiered skirt, and it has like that, you know, that gingham pattern. It is more like of an A-line kind of cut. It feels like sturdy. Like it feels like it's gonna hold its shape. It's just like such a standout piece. Like it's a dancing skirt, like one of those skirts that you want to dance around in because it just moves so like pretty. Gonna move into Princess Polly. This is actually the first time that I've ordered anything from Princess Polly. They are an Australian brand, and I follow a lot of Australian YouTubers. I love Australian YouTubers, like probably some of my favorites. Like I love Cardigan, Sammy Robinson. There's just so, oh, Maxi. What's her last name? I don't remember. But I love so many Aussie YouTubers. Maybe because I'm like obsessed with like their accent and just like their beachy lifestyle. It reminds me of like California. So I ordered this top from Princess Polly. It is like a really trendy kind of top right now. It is like kind of that milkmaid sleeve with that puffy sleeve, and then it has like a tie in the front. I'm like kind of on this like edge with this top because I really love the top, but I feel like you have to really think about, oh my god, I just got like the hiccups. Oh my god. You couldn't wear like, I wouldn't wear something super short with it. I would have to wear it something super high-waisted. They're also a part of the itty bitty titty committee. If you have a top like this, do you think that it's flattering on you? Because I'm just kind of like not sure how flattering this top is on me. I like it, but I don't know how much wear I'm gonna get out of it. And that's what happens when you buy like these trendy pieces. I feel like it looks really good with people with like bigger chests. I don't know. Kind of over all the tops having this milkmaid style. I think it's so cute, but I don't need every top in my closet to like have a puffy sleeve. I'm kind of getting past that. So I don't know, I still like it. it's just not like, I don't know, it wasn't exactly what I expected. Also, it's a little bit see-through. Wear it out, like you'd have to wear like some kind of like pasty or like, I don't know, because you definitely can't really wear a bra under this. So these jeans from Princess Polly, I was so excited to get these in the mail. These are like a knockoff for a Goldie jeans, that like crisscross style, which I love. I love anything unique on denim. It's like my favorite thing. I saw it on the model. She was wearing a size 2, which is what I ordered. I'm normally between sizes, so I'm normally between a size 2 or a size 4 in jeans. So I thought, okay, I'll buy the size 2 because people are saying that they're big. And I got these and they were huge on me. These are a size 2 and they fit me like 2 sizes up. Super long and baggy on the bottom, which I don't mind, but the thing is I'm not that tall, so you can kind of see that they're super baggy. I mean, I could always like cuff them or cut them off. Hoped that they would fit me better, especially in the booty area, because they're kind of giving me a baggy booty, so I'm not like so happy with this pick. RIP to my fast fashion hauls, because I'm gonna be buying from small brands or thrifting and things like that in the future. I'm gonna link down below some information on that topic if you guys need some information for that. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoy like this fashion content, because really it's like my favorite thing about YouTube. So yeah, let me know what kind of videos you would like to see from me in the future. And yeah, I will talk to you guys in the next video. I love you guys so much. Ciao. Mwah.